Good morning and welcome back to Englewood Cycling. My name is Kevin. I like to ride bikes and I like to make videos. Today is an active rest day for me, so I'm riding slower and shorter than normal and taking a little me time to explore some county parks along one of my favorite recovery loops. I hope you'll join me on this ride that lasted a little over an hour and covered about 12 miles door to door. All right, let's ride. Freedom Pavilion is just a mile from my home, and though I don't stop here much, I love to pass by it, usually at the end of a ride, and take a look over Lemon Bay and enjoy the sentiment of the Englewood Veterans Memorial. Most of the men in my family have served in one capacity or another, including on my other side of the family for the South Vietnamese Army. My sister and her husband are also veterans, so pride runs deep, even though the rest of them aren't submariners. LOL, I do have a cousin who, like me, was a submarine radio man, but he was on a new construction boat, and I don't think he ever qualified subs before he had to take a hardship discharge due to family issues. Yes, I'm using AI to convert text to voice audio, which I must admit is a pretty good facsimile of my real voice, though artificial intelligence lacks some speech nuances such as rhythm, punction, and inflection, despite my best attempts to include natural pauses. I must have misspelled rhythm in that last block of text. Sorry. Seems if I had several periods between text, I can create natural sounding pauses. What do you think? I leave a comment now. That's enough about that. Let's head over to the next park at Cherokee Street. It's just around the corner. It seems to me that this park never fully recovered from Hurricanes Milton and Helene. I can't remember if the fishing pier has been closed this whole time or if this is a recent project. Cherokee Street Park, of all the parks we visit in this video, holds special significance for me because it was one of the stops on the route for an event in 2019. And it was at this event, put on by Sarasota County Off-Road Riders, that I met and eventually fell in love with joy. Indian Mounds Park is a great way to enjoy Lemon Bay. It's minutes away from downtown, It's a busy boat launch and popular spot where people enjoy picnics, sunsets, and kayaking. I have yet to dip my toes in the water from this spot. More often than not, I arrive here by bike, just as I'm doing right now.
Friday was the last day of a 3-month, maybe 4-month training block. I was working on a GC fitness plan targeting my 8-minute power. I increased that by 5 or 6 watts. So it was successful. And I stuck to my training plan, I say with roughly 90% compliance rate. For me, it's not bad over the past few years. But 2025 is the year I wanted to get consistent with my training. My life is a lot less complicated now, so I had the ability to focus, dedicate, and support at home. So that's what I'm doing.
I've never been to this particular park. I ride past it frequently but have no reason to stop. But it's good to know there are facilities here should I need them. It's primarily a boat ramp, but there's a playground and covered picnic tables and plenty of room for fishing without interfering with boaters. Been in the area for a year and a half now. And today I'm just riding through all these different little parks because I'm on a full recovery day. Active rest, if you will. I'm not even trying to hit numbers, trying to keep it super easy.
the Cookie House. I think I've only been back this way once before. I cut through this park frequently to get to the other side of 776 or to come back to this side. Cutting through the parks on the other side to get over to San Casa Road. Anyways, short version of all that is the Cookie House. Looks like that because of those round logs. I think it's logs that are cut basically to discs and surrounded by mortar or cement or whatever. Google the Cookie House Englewood if you want the full details, or look that sign up. I don't know if this playground is new or if it was here last time. I don't remember seeing it, but it looks fairly new. But man, that's cool looking. That's really cool. I think this winter I'm gonna have to put my hiking shoes on and get a lot more time on my soles versus just riding. But this is how we cut through. So we're at Cedar Point Environmental Park, and we're gonna head over to Oyster Creek Environmental Park next. So I am riding on my road bike on 28s that measure out to dashboard. We'll figure it out in post-production. Ollie Ollie oxen free. That's Ken and Barb's. Never been to that restaurant, or haven't been to that restaurant yet. So we are not going to ride into the other parks. We're at the Oyster Creek Environmental Park right now. We're going to do a loop through the parking lot and then get back on Cedar Road. But if we turn down that way, that goes out to Ainger Park, and that gets us to San Casa, and from San Casa you can cut through some roads and get to Winchester and get to Rotunda West. Rotunda West is where you see a lot of my Real Bikes Englewood group ride videos at.